So, you're looking for a way to replace your oxygen sensor on your Toyota Highlander? Well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So, first things first is you want to get ready and stay safe here. Now, you want to park your Highlander on a level ground. Let the engine cool down. So, usually the O2 sensors can get extremely hot here. Now, and basically disconnect the battery. So, that includes the negative terminal to avoid electrical shorts. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to locate the faulty sensor. Now, you want to determine whether you're replacing the upstream, which is usually before the catalytic converter, or the downstream, after the converter sensor. Now, the upstream sensor is usually mounted on the exhaust manifold or header, while the downstream ones are further down the exhaust line. Now, use your vehicle's year and engine layout as a guide. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to disconnect the wiring harness. Now, trace the sensor's wires to its connector and basically unplug it. Now, this often involves pressing a tab and gently pulling the two halves apart. So, be careful not to damage the wiring here. So, you still need it later on. Now, from then on, you want to go and just basically remove the old sensor. Using an O2 sensor socket or a deep 22 millimeter socket in many Toyota models and a ratchet, unscrew the sensor from the exhaust pipe or manifold here. And if it's seized, applying penetrating oil and waiting for a bit actually helps. Now, also you want to check if the new sensor has anti-seize compound on its thread. Now, if not, apply a small amount. Carefully thread it in by hand at first to avoid cross-threading, then tighten to spec using the sensor socket. Now, from then on, you just want to reconnect the wiring and start using it or testing it. Now, plug the connector back in, secure any wiring to stay clear of heat or moving parts here, and also reconnect the battery. Then start the engine. Let it idle for a while and ensure no engine codes or warning lights actually appear. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.